Exercise 3.3, question number 5. Find all the zeros of the polynomial. This is a given polynomial x power 6 minus 3x power 5 minus 5x power 4 plus 22x cube minus 39x square minus 39x plus 135 is equal to 0. If it is known that 1 plus 2y and root 3 are 2 of x zeros. This is a 60-degree polynomial, therefore it has what? 6 zeros. This is a 60-degree polynomial, it has what? 6 zeros. So solve means find the all zeros means we want to find the 6 zeros. Given that 2 zeros are given. So remaining we have to find 4 zeros. Clear? This is a 60-degree polynomial, it has what? 6 zeros. 2 zeros are given, we need to find remaining 4 zeros. So given that, so what is given? Given 1 plus 2y is the root of 0. This is given. Clear? What is 1 plus 2y? 1 plus 2y is a complex number. So its conjugate also what? Root. That's the rule of the complex number. If 1 plus 2y is a root means what is the conjugate? 1 minus 2y is also a root. Clear? If 1 plus 2y is a root, then 1 minus 2y also what? Root. Same way, given that if root 3 is a root, it is given root 3 is a root. Suppose if it is root 3 is a root, what is the conjugate of root 3? Minus root 3 is also a root. Clear? 1 plus 2y is a root means 1 minus 2y is also a root. Root 3 is a root means minus root 3 is also a what? Root. Why? Root 3 is a irrational number. Clear? This is only possible complex number, irrational number. The respective conjugate also what? Root. So, it's a 60-degree polynomial. Now, we know what? 1 root, 2 root, 3 root, 4 root. 4 zeros we know. Remaining 2 zeros we have to find. Remaining 2 zeros we have to find. How to find? Suppose we have 2 roots, we can consider the quadratic equation. Consider these 2 roots. Take it as alpha. Alpha is equal to 1 plus 2y. Take it as another one is beta. Beta is equal to 1 minus 2y. This is one root, this is another root. We can construct the quadratic equations. For quadratic equation, we need, what is the quadratic equation? X square minus sum of the roots into what? Xn plus product of the root is equal to what? 0. So sum of the roots, alpha plus beta, add, plus 2y minus 2y cancel, 1 plus 1 is 2. Next to product of root, alpha beta, what will come? 1 plus 2y into 1 minus 2y, that is equal to a plus b into a minus b formula, a square minus 2i the whole square. Clear? 1 square is 1 minus 2 square is what? 4 into what? I square. What is the I square value? I square value is minus 1. So minus of minus plus 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. Therefore, quadratic equation is x square minus sum value is 2, so 2x, product value is 5, so 5 is equal to 0. Clear? This is the factor of the given polynomial. Why? We can consider this polynomial with the help of what? The given root. Therefore, it is a factor of what? Given polynomial. Same way, you have to take these 2 roots out. Take it as this is what? Gamma is equal to what? Root 3. Delta is equal to what? Minus root 3. Same sum, same product. Same quadratic equation. So what will come? Sum. Sum value is gamma plus delta. Root 3 plus minus root 3. The sum value is what? 0. Product alpha into delta. Root 3 into minus root 3. Plus into minus is minus. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So quadratic equation is x square minus sum of the roots into xn plus product of the root is equal to what? 0. X square minus sum value is 0. So 0 into what? Xn. Product value is minus 3. minus 3 is equal to 0. X square minus 3 is equal to 0. Clear? These twos are factor of the given polynomial. Clear? So these twos are factor of the given polynomial means we can divide these two and get remainder is what? 0. The same way, just you divide these two, the remainder must be what? 0. Since all are what? Factor of this polynomial. So divide this polynomial by what? This equation. Clear? Divide this polynomial by these equations. Here what? X square minus 2x plus 5. Clear? So plus 5. So divide what we come? X square is there, x power 6 is there. So x power 4. X power 4 into x square is x to the power 6 minus 2 into x to the power 5 plus 5 into x to the power 4. You know how to multiply. Next step is we have to sign change. This is minus, this one is plus, this is minus. These two are what? Cancel. Plus 2x power 5 minus 3x power 5 is minus x to the power 5. Minus 5 is minus 10. Minus 10 x to the power 4. Next is plus 22x cube. Here minus, I am using minus here. X power 5 x square is there. So x cube will come. So minus x cube into x square is minus x to the power 5. Minus into minus plus 2x to the power 4 minus 5x cube. Clear? Next is sign change. So what will come? Here plus, here minus, here plus. This is cancelled. Minus 10 minus 2 is minus 12. So minus 12 x to the power 4. Both are what? Same sign. So plus 27x cube. This is what? Minus 39x square. Next step is here minus, so minus. Here x square in what? X to the power 4. Friend 12 is there. So 12x square. Plus into minus is minus. Minus 12x to the power 4. Minus into minus plus. 2 12s are 24. 24x cube. Then minus 5 12s are 60. 60x square. Clear? This equation is x square minus 3 is equal to 0. Next is sign change. This is plus, this is minus, this is plus, this is cancelled. 27 minus 24 is 3x cube. Next is 60 minus 39 plus 60, 39. Remaining is 1. This is what? 5. 5 minus 3 is 2, so 21. So plus 21x square. Next step is minus 39x. Here what? X square. Here what? 3. So 3x. 3x into x square is 3x cube. Minus 3 2s are 6. 6x square. Plus 5 3s are 15. So 15x. So remaining is, we need to still sign minus plus minus. Clear? This is cancelled. 21 plus 6 is 27x square. Both are what? Same sign. Minus 39 minus 15 minus 54. So minus 54x. Next is plus 135. Clear? Next step is 27. Here x square is there. So plus 27 27 into x square is 27x square minus 2 into 27 is 54x. 5 into 27 is 135. Just change the sign and get what? 0. 0 must come. Why? This is a factor of what? The given polynomial. Clear? This polynomial can be written as this equation into this equation and one more equation. I need to find this one more equations. Clear? Why? These two are factor of the given polynomial. Therefore, the given polynomial can be written as this equation into this equation and one more equation. Why one more equation? Here x square also x square x over 4. One more equation, it's a quadratic equation. I need to find this equation. That's why I divide. Clear? Next is I divide these two polynomials. Which one? This and that. So what is that? X to the power 4 minus x cube minus 12x square plus 3x plus 27. This is what? X square minus 3. So divide, what will come? X square will come. X square into x square is x to the power 4 minus 3 into x square is minus 3x square. That is the x cube term. Clear? We need to change the sign. This is minus, this is plus, this is cancelled. Here what? Nothing is there, so 0 minus x cube. Here what? Minus 12 plus 3. Minus 12 plus 3 is minus 9. So minus 9x square. Next is what? Plus 3x. Plus 3x. Here minus, I am using minus here. X square, so x. So here what? X will come. Minus x into x square is minus x cube. Minus into minus plus 3x. We need to change the sign. This is minus. Here whatever it is, minus or plus doesn't matter. Here minus. This is cancelled. This also cancelled. Remaining is minus x square. Then what? Plus 27. Okay, x square minus 9 is there. So I am using minus 9. Minus 9 into x square is minus 9x square. Minus into minus plus 27. Change the sign. This is plus, this is minus. So 0. Clear? Why it is 0? 0 must come. Why? X square minus 3 is a factor of what? The given polynomial. Therefore, this is also what? Factor. Therefore, the another factor, the third factor is what is the third factor? Third factor is x square minus xl minus 9 is equal to 0. This is the second factor. The previous one is what? First factor. This is the third factor. We need to what? Solve. How to solve? Need not to find this value. Applying the formula. What is A value? A value is 1. B value is minus 1. C value is minus 9. What is the formula? X is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC by 2A. Clear? X is equal to minus B, minus of minus 1 plus 1 plus or minus square root of B square minus 1 square is 1 minus 4 into A into C. 4 into 4 ones are 4, 9 fours are 36 plus 36 minus of minus plus by 2A by 2. So answer is x is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 37 by 2. That's all. Therefore, the zeros are, what are the zeros? 1 plus 2y, 1 minus 2y, 1 plus 2y, 1 minus 2y. Next is root 3 minus root 3 and this answer 1 plus root 37 by 2 comma 1 minus root 37 by 2. Total we have what? 6 zeros. Very important sum. Make a note. Copy the sum in your class.